welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison, and today we're going to be doing this dripping in like wealth. Look, let me just pat down the glitter. Hold on. I hope you enjoy the look, and if you want to just do the pretty part, it's totally capable of doing that. You just don't add the glitter. But just if you do this look, this confetti glitter whatever will get everywhere. It is all over my floor. It is all down my shirt. It is on my makeup, on my phone. It's been stuck to my hands. It gets everywhere. So if you do this look, it will be like the glitter invasion. So I started with the foundation because my skin was offensive because of all the zits I have going on. So we started with the foundation. That's already done. So we're gonna move on. I've tried to cover this 5 times. I'm honestly over it. I'm done. Tired. Like this, I'm like missing half my eyebrow. I don't know why. My eyebrow just decided to die. So we have to draw this one more on. So I'm missing like... I just cleaned my brushes and this brush is still wet. Well, it's fine. This, it's a white shimmer shadow. all you need to know. Overdraw it because we live in a society where big lips are all the rage. Not a lot, just a little bit. This is not the lot of the gloss I thought I brought, but I grabbed this gloss. Glue, and I don't want to, this brush sucks. I'm going to take a little brush that I don't care about, and I'm going to paint that on my neck. Like that. Ooh, that was a bad idea. Bad idea. So I'm gonna smear it with my fingers because it works better some way. And really evenly apply this. Make sure not to apply very lightly in nice strokes down your neck. Yeah, apply it. It's like all over my hand. It's making my nose run. I'm just gonna put my hand in this bag of doom and kind of leave. Oh, that went all down my shirt. And it is more sticking to my fingers. Oh, it's like all down my shirt. Oh, that's fun. And I'm just gonna gracefully, gently apply this all over my neck. Oh, it's like all down my shirt. And it's like sticking my fingers. And do you guys like my new intro? I spent hours doing that. I drew the avatar. That took me 12 hours to do, and then editing it, and I know it's not the best, it's not 100% professional, but I tried really hard. I just want to be a beauty YouTuber, and there's lipstick on my teeth. This is why I can't be a beauty YouTuber. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.